Are you wondering how Graduate Certificate in Advanced Nursing Qualification compares to the Irish education system? In this video, we'll walk you through how to check the equivalency using the official Quality and Qualifications Ireland QQI website. Step by step, simple and clear. First, open Google and search for QQI Quality and Qualifications Ireland. Click on the first link, which takes you to the official website where you can assess how your international qualification aligns with the Irish system. Once you're on the homepage, go to the top left corner, click on the menu icon, and select Recognition of Foreign Qualifications. This will take you to the section that deals with international qualification comparisons. In Ireland, the qualification levels are defined under the National Framework of Qualifications, or NFQ. Now, click on Search Our Foreign Qualifications database. You'll be taken to a search page. On the left-hand side, choose your country of qualification and type of education. In our case, we'll select Australia and higher education. Click Search, and you'll see a list of qualifications. In this example, 13 results are shown. We're specifically looking for the Graduate Certificate. In Australia, this qualification is considered Level 8. Scroll through the results and click on the Graduate Certificate entry. Here you'll find the qualification profile, which includes detailed information. You'll see that the national framework level in the country of origin is 8, and the Irish NFQ award class is also Level 8, indicating a direct comparability. Now, let's view the statement of comparability by clicking on the corresponding link. This document confirms that the Graduate Certificate from Australia is considered Level 8 in the Irish National Framework. At the bottom of the table, you'll also find a comparison chart showing how the Irish NFQ aligns with the European Qualifications Framework, EQF, and the Qualifications Framework for the European Higher Education area. And that's how you can easily check the comparability of your international qualification with the Irish education system using QQI.